What's going on, everyone? Starting this one off strong. So today we're going to be talking about cable management. Let's talk about some of the cable management I have going on here already. This came with the desk, worked okay. These you can find on Amazon for, I don't know, 10, 20 bucks. I'll link it below. They do okay too. The great thing about these is they're cheap, adhesive. This one you can screw on or use adhesive. The problem with them is once you put the cables in, you're not getting those suckers out without taking everything out with it. You know what? I'm gonna sit up. This is a problem. Whew. Okay, much better. So now that I'm sitting down, I can describe what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try a new product that I found online. They don't even market it that much. It's from Steelcase. They are not sponsoring this. The whole idea is I wanna put something down there that can handle the cables and give me the flexibility to pull things out whenever I need to and add things whenever I need to. That way I don't feel like once I have this desk locked down, I lack flexibility. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it and let's see how it works out. So I am done. I am really happy with how it turned out. I spent a lot of time underneath the desk tinkering around with cables, and I have discovered that it is in fact exactly what I hoped for, which is I'm not afraid to take cables out or put cables in, because it's just really, really easy and affords me the flexibility of adding more products on my desk in the future and being able to crawl underneath and plug more devices in. What? Oh, you don't believe me? You want me to prove it? Let's go check it out. I actually have this phone charger that I want to plug in to the surge protector down there. So I'll leave a card at the top. You can click if you want to hear my review on this 80-inch Uplift desk. Spoiler alert, I still love it. What's also neat about how high this thing goes is I can kind of slide underneath, just like I was working on a car. So check it out. I'm gonna slide underneath right here. Boom. Yep. So here is the cable management system from Steelcase. What you do is there's a button here and a button here. You press them in and wow, it opens up. And so here are the surge protectors. It did not come with it. These are like old ones I've had. Actually, this is a new one. This is an old one. This one I got like last year. This should be the sole thing plugged into the wall. This plugs into this. So the whole goal is to have like maybe one cable come up here and serve all the power needs for the entire desk. On the left side, I've organized it in a way where these things are more than likely going to remain stationary. And on the right side, these are things that I'm leaving a little looser because, for example, my MacBook adapter, I may want to pull it out and take it with me on trips, coffee shop, maybe even to work if I need to bring my second laptop. So this offers me some flexibility. These red ties, actually, let me show you up here. These red ties are really, really neat. They come with the kit. They're elastic enough where if I wanted to like even tuck this in more, I could, because it gives me that flexibility. So let's go see if we could do what you challenged me to do. Can I easily plug this in here? Bring this USB cable in. Now I'm getting really nervous. I'm talking a lot of trash. I hope this works. I'm gonna plug this in. And then let's see if this doesn't work. This whole thing was totally, it works! Yes! So here we are. And now all I have to do is close it up. I'm gonna press here, I'm gonna press here, and the buttons are gonna click in place. This one's in. This one's in. Look how clean that is. Clean. Clean. So I'm gonna link it below and let me know what you think. I don't know if you noticed, but I left two of the Amazon, it's actually this. These, I left two of them in. I have three more of these. You put the adhesive here and you stick it up. I left two of them down below. They were already there. I can still leverage them. Not a bad product. Oh, And here's a bonus for something I did while I was down there. I wanted to get caster wheels from Uplift for this desk because what I found ever since I've been posting YouTube videos, I need room in the back to sometimes put the camera. And when I bring the desk out, even though it has sliders on carpet, it's just, it's rough. You could tell like it's rough to pull in and out. You don't even know if it's rough on the desk. So I was like, okay, well, the caster wheels are gonna add like an inch or an inch and a half. And I like how low it goes right now, so I don't want to add any more height to it. What if I ran a test and just tried using these sliders that I got on Amazon? I put 4 of them, 2 on each side, and would it do the trick? And yo, check it out. Look, it's sliding and I'm barely putting any pressure. Check it out, look, one hand. I'm sitting down. So who knows, is this gonna hold up? I don't know, but I feel like it is. And at like 10 bucks for like an 8-pack, and it doesn't add any height to the desk at all, it's kind of a win.